Hi friends, welcome to part 2 of how to make concrete vessels. So far we have hung out and we have casted these amazing jars, amazing little vessels that I have here using the silicone molds that are right next to me. So this is how they came out. If you haven't seen how I embedded the gold leaf into each cast and how I created the concrete casting and how I demolded, please check out those two videos. I'm going to go ahead and link them below so that you have them. In today's video, we're going to be sanding each casting and getting them ready to seal them. So if you're new here, my name is Carla and I'm the creator behind K-Essentials Candles. I make videos all about DIY and candle making. So if that sounds like something that you would love, then go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell button. Let's connect. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. This is my station for today. I'm working outside. This is my sanding sponge. The one that I use is the Gator one. What I like about this one is that when you work with it, you can rinse it off, put it out to dry, and it's pretty good condition. It lasts a long time, so I like this one, and it's easy to work with. So right over here, I am starting off with my tea light. I like to take a look around and really feel around every vessel. Some of the things that I inspect and look for is any cracks, any visible cracks, or any possible cracks. I like to tap around each vessel just to make sure and kind of check with sound. You're able to notice whether or not you used enough product and whether or not it's going to withstand any liquid and not seep right through it. Okay, now I'm going to do the lid of my crystal jar. These I absolutely love. I think I keep saying that. I really am obsessed with them. I love how they turn out. They're so pretty. Their imperfections are just perfect. So I like to go around the lid just to make sure that it's a good grip, especially because this is going on top of my candle as obviously the lid, and I don't want any crumbles, any concrete crumbles or any excess product just falling into my candle. So it's really important for me to go around and make sure that I get rid of any loose ends. Okay, so I just want to unmold one more with you, and as you see, it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I love this casting. I like how it comes out. It's so sturdy, it looks pretty neat, and there's not a lot of sanding to do here, just the top again. And I like to concentrate on the top, and I like to concentrate on the bottoms. I like a smooth top and bottom. So that concludes our sanding video for today. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay in touch, stay connected. Thank you, and always remember to let your light shine. Bye friends, see you soon.